Alright, welcome to my tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to make a glitchy effect on a photo. So this is a fun little effect you can do. First of all, you're just going to take any photo you want and, do the colors how you want, whatever. I just took this basic photo I have of myself. I don't really necessarily love it or the colors or anything, but we're just going to work with it. So we're going to do Command J or Control J on Windows. I don't know why I said Command because I'm on Windows. We're going to duplicate that layer so that we have something, to fall back on in case we do mess up. Now we're going to go up here to the top left and we're going to select the rectangular marquee tool. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that up here at the top left, this button is on, so that way you can have multiple selections. And we're really just going to add random shapes everywhere, basically random wherever you basically want an effect to go, and we're gonna do that all over. Basically, I feel like this is pretty good. Let me just add one more down here for a good effect, maybe one skinny one there. Okay, and then we're gonna go to filter, and then we're going to go to distort, and we're going to go to wave. Now, once the wave window pops up, we're going to hit square. We're going to leave everything actually, we might mess with it a little bit, just a little bit. I'm just going to try something. I'm just going to try some random numbers here and see how it looks. Don't really like it, so I'm going to go back down to where we were basically, and I'm just going to adjust it very small, like nothing too crazy here. Number of generators, we're gonna take that way down to like 5, and then we're gonna hit OK. We're gonna make sure that repeat edge pixels is on. Then we're gonna hit OK, and then you can do Control D to deselect, and then you can see that we have this like glitchy effect going on already. So that's just step 1. Okay. So now that we've done this glitch effect, we're going to duplicate this original layer again with the effect on it, and we are going to double click it so that we can go to the layer style panel. Now, right here is where we need to be, advanced blending. We're going to uncheck the green and the blue to where we're left with a red. We're going to click OK. And now we're just going to make sure we have the move tool selected, click on the image, and then use your arrow keys to shift it. You can shift it left, you can shift it right, down, up, diagonal, whatever you want, whatever fits the effect for you. I'm just going to do a slight effect so that it's nothing too crazy, nothing too wild, but you get like this 90s VHS type of glitch effect. Now we're going to select the 2 layers and we're going to merge them together. So here's the original file, and then here's our glitched image. That was pretty easy, huh? So if you want to, this is just optional, you can go down here and click on layer adjustments, and then you can do a gradient map, for example. They have all kinds of presets, or you can make your own gradients, whatever you think works. And I'm just going to try to find something that kind of fits the style in a way. I want to get something kind of glitchy, and so I'm going to just mess with some of these gradients here to see what kind of colors I can get. I kind of like that, except obviously we're not going to leave it like that. Then this is where we mess with the blending styles. I'm just going to go through them. There's multiply, screen, overlay, and soft light. Like, I might use some soft light right here, and it kind of gives everything like a purpley tinge to it, so it just looks all the more better. And then we're going to just merge that with the copy, keeping the background layer, our original file there, not to be messed with. Now we're going to select this merged image that we have, and this is optional as well, but I'm going to go to merge, or I'm going to go to filter, noise, and add noise. Now this is just going to add a little bit of noise for that little grainy effect, which I do love to have. Now I'm going to go low on the amount because I don't want it to look too grainy, but it does make a slight difference. And that has it. This is the end of the tutorial. It was fairly simple, easy. I think a beginner could honestly do this. It's super simple. It's a cool way to edit your photos if you're into this kind of stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for my next few tutorials. I've got a few things in mind if you like to design. Yeah, bye.